I'm Dr. Melissa Tarantola. I'm a Ph.D. clinical psychologist and motivation expert. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a quick tip that you can use to maintain motivation. I want you to make notes that remind yourself of what drives your motivation and your passion. For example, if you're studying to become a lawyer, you would write down the reasons that you're working so hard. Or if you're trying to quit smoking, you write down the reasons that you want to quit. So, step 1, buy some cards or post-it notes. As a bonus, buy some cards with a cool design or write with a brightly colored pen, because research shows that we're more likely to interact with objects that we find bright and attractive. Step 2, when you're in a highly motivated mood, I want you to use those note cards and write down the reasons that you're doing your selected activity. To go with our examples from earlier, you might write down, I want to become a lawyer because I want to help victims of domestic violence. Or, I want to quit smoking because I want to live a long life for my children. Even less serious reasons like, I want to quit smoking because my breath smells bad. Write that down too. Just anything that gets your motivation juices going. And keep adding to these notes. Anytime that you find yourself full of motivation and passion for a reason you haven't written down yet, make a new note. Step 3, once you finish these note cards, I want you to keep them somewhere that's easily accessible or where you'll see them often. For example, on the refrigerator, at a board next to your desk, or even the lock screen of your phone. And the final step, anytime you're feeling low motivation, I want you to go get these notes and look at them to remind yourself of why you're doing what you're doing. Many people report that this can really help to jumpstart motivation. All right, that's all for today. Thanks for taking time to watch this video, and good luck on your journey to improving motivation.